Now, see here combination of resistors. First one is the series combination. So, in series combination here, suppose you have got 3 carbon resistors, like this is R1, resistances are represented by this symbol. So, this is R2 and this is R3. These 3 resistances are connected end to end, and across the end of all these 3 resistors, here this is the point A suppose and point B. So, between the point A and B, a battery is connected of potential difference, terminal potential difference here V. So, this is plus, this is here. Current flows like this is here from positive to negative. Through all these resistors, current remains constant, but potential difference is different across these resistors. So, we can write here V1 is equal to IR1 according to Ohm's law, V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 is equal to IR3. Then we can also write here total V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So, IR, this is R equivalent here. So, the total resistance of this combination between A and B is R and I, and total potential difference is V. So, we can write here IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. So, that can be written R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, this is here the total resistance R here, that is sum of the individual resistances. So, this is about series combination. So, now let us discuss parallel combination of carbon resistors. So, suppose there are the 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3. They are connected in parallel like this, and they are connected here with the help of the battery here plus V here, this is V. In this case current is different, but V is same for all these resistors. So, we can write total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, total current is I over here and I over here. I can be written V upon R, where R is equivalent resistance, and can be written V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. We will be getting cancelled here, we will be getting 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So, this is here the equivalent resistance in case of the parallel combination. So, in parallel combination potential difference remains same for all the resistors, but current is different through all the resistors here.